You're out and about, checking your email, logging into your bank account, or shopping online, all on public Wi-Fi. But what if I told you you're not alone? Public Wi-Fi may seem convenient, but it's a hacker's playground. With the right tools, cybercriminals can easily intercept your data and steal your sensitive information. Your passwords, bank accounts, personal emails, they're all at risk. Today, we're diving deep into the hidden dangers of using public Wi-Fi and how you can protect yourself from becoming a victim of cybercrime. Public Wi-Fi networks, like those at coffee shops, airports, or hotels, are often unsecured. This means anyone with basic hacking knowledge can intercept the data being sent between your device and the internet. This attack is known as a man-in-the-middle attack, where hackers position themselves between you and the network to steal sensitive information like login credentials or credit card details. What can you do to stay safe on public Wi-Fi? Here are a few crucial steps you should always follow. First, avoid doing anything sensitive on public Wi-Fi. This means no online banking, no shopping, and no logging into your email with important personal data. A VPN is your best line of defense when using public Wi-Fi. It encrypts your data, creating a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. Even if a hacker tries to intercept your connection, they'll only see encrypted data that's useless to them. Make sure to choose a reliable VPN service. Free ones might come with risks of their own, so it's worth investing in a paid, trustworthy option. Many devices are set to auto-connect to any available Wi-Fi. Turn that feature off. You don't want to connect to a rogue hotspot unknowingly. Also, disable file sharing when you're on public networks. It's another door for hackers to slip through. Always make sure the websites you visit use HTTPS. This ensures the data you send to the site is encrypted. You can check this by looking for the little padlock icon in the browser's address bar. Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it comes with real risks. To sum it up, avoid doing sensitive transactions, use a VPN, disable auto-connect, and stick to secure HTTPS websites. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on staying safe online. Check out my other videos on cyber safety, and remember, your online security is in your hands.